In this video, we will be covering renin angiotensin aldosterone system. The renin angiotensin aldosterone system is essential for long-term blood pressure regulation. It involves a complete system of hormones, proteins, and enzymes. RAAS regulates the blood pressure by increasing sodium reabsorption, water reabsorption, and vascular tone. The RAAS consists of three major substances including renin, it is an enzyme, angiotensin II, aldosterone. These are hormones. Enzymes are proteins that help trigger chemical reactions in the body. They build some substance and break others down. Hormones are chemicals that coordinate different functions in the body by carrying messages through the blood to the organs, muscles, and other tissue. These signals tell the body what to do and when to do it. Blood pressure depends on many things, including how much blood the heart is pumping and the diameter of the arteries the blood is moving through. Many factors can affect the blood pressure, such as certain medications, high cholesterol, and smoking. The renin-angiotensin aldosterone system is responsible for the basic regulation of the blood pressure. What organs and body systems are involved in the RAAS? Several organs, glands, and tissues are involved in the RAAS, including the kidneys, liver, blood vessels, lungs, adrenal glands. A small triangle-shaped endocrine glands that are located on top of each of the kidneys. Pituitary gland, a small pea-sized endocrine gland located at the base of the brain below the hypothalamus. Then hypothalamus, a region of the brain that coordinates the autonomic nervous system and the activity of the pituitary gland. Now we'll see the steps of renin-angiotensin aldosterone system. The RAAS is a series of reactions designed to help regulate blood pressure and involves several steps. When the blood pressure falls, sympathetic nervous system is stimulated and sends nerve impulses to juxtaglomerular cells that encircle the arterioles at the entrance to the glomeruli of the kidneys to release the enzyme called renin into the bloodstream. The renin-secreting cells, which compose the juxtaglomerular apparatus, are sensitive to changes in blood flow and blood pressure. The primary stimulus for increased renin secretion is decreased blood flow to the kidneys, which may be caused by loss of sodium and water or by narrowing of renal artery. Renin then catalyzes the conversion of angiotensinogen, a plasma protein the liver makes and releases, into angiotensin I. This angiotensin I is inactive, which has no effects. Angiotensin converting enzyme in the lungs and kidneys then converts angiotensin I into angiotensin II, an active hormone. Angiotensin II causes the muscular walls of small arteries to constrict or narrow, which increases blood pressure. Angiotensin II also triggers the pituitary gland to release antidiuretic hormone and the adrenal glands to release aldosterone, which stimulates salt and water reabsorption by the kidneys and the constriction of small arteries, which cause an increase in blood pressure. Angiotensin II further will cause vasoconstriction both in venous and arterial vessels. This will increase systemic vascular resistance and blood pressure. Together, aldosterone and ADH cause the kidneys to retain sodium. Aldosterone also causes the kidneys to release potassium through the urine. The increase in sodium in the bloodstream causes water retention. This increases blood volume and blood pressure, thus completing the renin-angiotensin aldosterone system. The renin-angiotensin aldosterone system is also activated by other hormones including corticosteroids, estrogen, and thyroid hormones.